If you have multiple Hamster Combat account, you need to do this now. Hey everyone! In today's video tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about a very important issue that has appeared with Hamster Combat. If you make this mistake, it can seriously affect your rewards, so stay with us until the end to avoid this costly mistake. I've been seeing a pattern with Hamster Combat users, and it's a big problem. While having multiple accounts isn't the main issue, there's a significant problem when it comes to how you're managing them. Many of you are creating multiple accounts on the same Telegram app and linking them all to one wallet. This might seem harmless, but trust me, it's a major red flag. Here's what's happening. You might be using different Telegram accounts to sign up and refer yourself to Hamster Combat, which might seem like a clever idea. However, the real problem arises when you connect all these accounts to a single wallet. This is a major mistake. Hamster Combat has bots scanning for suspicious activity. If they detect multiple accounts linked to a single wallet, it could raise red flags, especially if you've used VPNs to manipulate your earnings. We've all seen what happens when those bots catch you. Your earnings vanish. Imagine losing all your hard-earned rewards because of this simple mistake. When I say multiple accounts, I'm not talking about having accounts on different devices. That's fine because each device has its own IP address. The problem is when you have more than one account on the same device, using the same IP address. Hamster Combat will detect this, and it's a huge risk. Just to clarify, if you're using different phones for different accounts, you're safe. But if you're using one phone with multiple Telegram accounts, you're making a big mistake. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this. Let's get into how to fix this issues. First, open Telegram app on your phone and go to the settings. Scroll down till you see data and storage and click on it. From the top, you'll see storage usage. Tap on it. Clear your storage history by clicking on Clear Cache button. Then tap on Clear Cache. I'm just showing you the steps here, so I won't actually clear it. Now go back to your profile and log out of the accounts you don't want to use anymore. It might be tough to let go of those extra accounts, especially if you've accumulated a lot of coins. But trust me, it's better to be safe with one account than risk losing everything. If you watch this video to the very end, congratulations! I have a surprise package for you. Check the link in the description and join my Telegram group to claim it. And this is how to protect your Hamster Combat account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.